Hey, what's up guys, Van here with another one. So the UK winter is finally over. Whoopie fucking do, right? Check this weather out. Yeah, look at that. Bloody amazing, isn't it? Anyways, so the beast, it's done 7,000 miles now, and I've encountered my first issue. You could say it's a minor issue depending how much of an audiophile you are. But the door rattles when listening to music. Anything from 30% volume upwards, and obviously the more bass, the more annoying the rattle is. Right, but yeah, it's kind of a very, very annoying plasticky rattle. Did my fucking head in. So yeah, so I took the car to the dealership, obviously because it's free, and I spent a few hours there. The tech had a go at it. He took the door panels off, added some foam, some glue. Waited for a few hours because the dealership is in the middle of nowhere. He gave me the car back, said it should be fixed, so I tested it. The music sounded a lot better, so I thought okay, I could live with this. So I proceeded to go home, and halfway home the fucking rattle came back with a fucking vengeance. It was like pure evil. It's like the sound of evil just fucking coming through the speakers when you. Oh, it was so bad. I had to turn the music off, and I haven't really listened to the music for like 2 weeks, so yeah, it's been a fucking pain in the ass. Yeah, so after losing faith in the dealership, I decided to take the car to a local eye specialist. Ended up going with a company called Bloom's Audio, just outside Harlow. They managed to find the rattle and fix it, and also I had the doors dead in as well with dynamat, which I recommend because it made a lot of difference. So now I have clean audio how it's supposed to be, and it sounds good with the deadening. Right, so the cause of the main rattle and the easy fix are these two caps or grommets or whatever you want to call them. There's one under the door here where my hand is, you can see, and there's another one here just below the boot button. So these two, if your doors are rattling, take these two out and it should help. Right, so if the grommet fails and you're still getting a rattle and it's coming from, say, this area here, the only other cause after thoroughly inspecting the door panel is this. This is the spire cap for the top most screw for the door panel. The door panel has 3 screws, so it's got one here in there, one behind this knee pad and one behind this cap. So this spire cap is bloody made of metal, and it sits on the door skin, which is also metal. But these two are made of plastic, which I don't really understand because it doesn't make any sense. This should have been plastic, but it's metal, and it sits on metal, and it moves, and it causes a lot of headache when you play music. So if your door is still rattling after you remove those grommets under the door, take the door panel off, remove this spire cap, and just leave the screw off. And just only use this screw here and this screw there, and that should fix your door rattling problem. If not, well, you're fucked. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe and all that goodness, and yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.